أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
فانطلقا حتى إذا لقيا غلاما فقتله قال أقتلت نفسا زكية بغير نفس لقد جئت شيئا نكرا.
Then they set out. Until, when they encountered a boy, he killed him. He said, "Did you kill a pure soul, who killed no one? You have done something terrible."
قال ألم أقل لك إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He said, "Did I not tell you that you will not be able to endure with me?"
قال إن سألتك عن شيء بعدها فلا تصاحبني قد بلغت من لدني عذرا.
He said, "If I ask you about anything after this, then do not keep company with me. You have received excuses from me.